Gold prices selling off Friday, despite the fact that the CME lowered margin requirements to buy gold futures contracts by 12%. Anthony, you would think this would be supportive of gold. It's now cheaper to buy it.
I don't think that the margins narrowing are going to have that much of an effect, on where gold is going to be trading. People that want to trade it are going to trade it regardless of the margin requirements.
So is the sell-off today really then all about Greece and this uncertainty over the debt deal?
Yes, I definitely believe that there is, because they're in, they're out, they're trying to make up their mind and get their footing on what would be a good solution, to a very, very long-term problem. They're looking for short-term solutions.
Right. So then this weekend's really D-Day for Greece, right? Let's two scenarios. First, what happens if the Greek parliament does not pass austerity measures, in essence decides to leave the euro and can't secure its second bailout? What happens to gold?
Well, gold priced in euro terms, of course, is going to sell off. Okay, the double-edged sword is, do you feel now, because of the uncertainty in Greece and other members of the Eurozone, do you feel that now gold is going to be your renewed flight to quality?
All right, so then let's flip it. Let's say Greece Parliament does pass austerity measures. Do we have a buy the rumor, sell the news issue here, or does gold get an initial pop?
I think gold will get an initial pop. We did have some trouble sustaining above 1750, but I do believe that that area is going to be retested. And if we get some sustainable settlements above 1750, then I feel that $1,800 is in the cards in a very short period of time.
All right, but there's a lot of uncertainty here now. So how would you be trading headed into this weekend?
Well, actually, right now for myself, I am short some options. Okay, volatility has been coming in a little bit, so I'm trying to play it from the short side a little bit, cautiously, and finding a place that I'd be comfortable taking my shorts back.
Where do you think you would do that? Would it be 1700, or you have to wait and see where it holds?
But 1700 is my first number, then maybe 1675, 1680. Those will probably be very good areas to buy it for a rally back up.
And we did get some disappointing import data from China, down over 15% for January. Does this worry you at all in terms of, will China stop buying gold? Or do you think this was a one-off event? Or do you not care? Is it really just about Greece?
Well, so I think primarily, yes, it is about Europe. But, anytime China is in the news, people have a tendency to listen. They do get a little nervous. This possibly could be, part of that. You have crude oil also selling off, which is, also, a catalyst for gold. So, yeah, they do have a tendency to listen to see what China does when their numbers are good, or, when they're trying to fight inflation, et cetera, and so forth. People do have a tendency to buy or sell gold depending on that news in China. But,
all right, thanks, Anthony. I really appreciate it. But for now, Greece is the word for gold. 1700 is that key psychological level for now.